3 by a vote of 8-7 is constitutional. The majority believes that it is within the power of Congress to synchronize ARM elections, and that it is also within the power of Congress to authorize the President to appoint OICs. The majority is composed of Justices Brion, Bersamin, Peralta, Villarama, Mendoza, Del Castillo, Reyes, and Bernabé. On the other hand, the 7 are divided. Justices Carpio, Perez, and Sereno believes that it is partly constitutional and partly unconstitutional. It is constitutional in the sense that RA 1153 can synchronize the elections, but it is unconstitutional in the sense that only OIC for the office of the governor may be appointed by the President. For the Chief Justice, Justice Velasco, Justice De Castro, and Justice Abad, they are of the opinion that while RA 1153 may synchronize the elections, the appointment of OICs are unconstitutional.